In this video, we will be setting up a conveyor-to-conveyor end transfer. This is a simple process during which we will put the two ends of the conveyors together, link their guide rails, and create a level surface your containers can travel over. We will need the following tools to begin: a 13mm wrench and an 1/8" hex key. These are the two conveyors we will be linking together. The guide rails come attached as shown, but you will need to adjust them during this process. Our first task is to ensure that the end plates of our conveyors are high enough so that they won't drag on the belt, but low enough so your containers can seamlessly travel over them. Try running your container over the end plate. See how our bottle is bumping against it? This means we need to adjust the end plate lower. Loosen the 4 screws in the end of the conveyor holding the plate in place. There are 2 on each side. This will allow the plate to move up and down. Reposition the plate to a better height for your bottle. Make sure it still won't drag against the belt. Test your bottle once more. If it slides over the plate with little effort, feel free to retighten the screws. Your end plate has been adjusted. After you've done this with both end plates, lift the conveyors and place their end plates against one another. Make sure there is little to no gap between the two conveyors. You should now adjust your guide rails so that their ends are right up against one another, like so. We will now link the guide rails using 2-piece guide rail clamps, shown here. Place the loose clamps around the brake in the guide rails, then tighten the 2 nuts on the back of each clamp using a 13mm wrench to lock them in place. Your conveyors have now been merged.